What do you think, guys? An ex-boyfriend or a Christmas tree? Should I be offended y'all split this 50-50? What's up, guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my house. It is time for the 2025 Christmas decorations vlog. This is one of my favorite videos all year. I have like 7 trees. It's a whole thing. So, just like all my videos, we're gonna start with the shopping. Start the day off with the season's first Christmas Starbucks. Woohoo! This store is unbelievable. I need this. What do you think, guys? Only 1,500 bucks. Oh God. Like, this store is crazy. I love it in here. Oh God, I just get so much inspo every year. I love it in here. Wow. Price check. This makes me want to buy 50 more trees. All right, guys, we are at Walmart. I look horrible. I literally go out looking so crazy, you guys. Like, this is my outfit of the day, my God. Jewelry always on fleek, though. I am literally like those memes of the people in Walmart. That is me. Oh, we have to do one of these. Oh, we'll do a couple of these. That's nice. All right. All right, Michaels, what do you got for me today? Oh my God, my shopping carts are so funny. I'll just get a couple of these. It's the best day of the year. The Home Goods is Christmas stuff is out day. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff today, yay! So many things to sniff. Nice. George is just sitting here watching me film this. I'll come inside in a second, baby. You want to see what I got? The deck the hall. That's so funny. Oh boy, we get a lot of things, Georgie. We got so many bags. I got 3 sets of the exact same Christmas ornaments because I'm really keen on these specifically. All right, guys, I also got literally every single one that they had of these 2 particular ornaments because if I have learned anything, it's at Home Goods, when you see something that you like, you need to get them all because you will literally never see them again. I actually got every single one of these that the store had in stock. Oh, they're already falling apart. I guess that's why they were on sale. Each of these was $2 on sale from $4. Whenever I find something I like, I just buy all of them. So that's why I have 3 full bags full. My version of grocery shopping. I also got these 2 beautiful Christmas garlands. It's very rare that I find some that like already have like things on them that I want. Usually I have to decorate it myself, but this already had pretty gold ornaments on it. What do you think, Boogie? You like it? Do you? Yes. So I'm gonna put these on my fireplace in here. My room looks crazy right now. All right, we got 4 candles. Nice loot. Got 800 billion of these. Are you trying to play with me right now? George, I'm trying to decorate. I also got some new ribbon. This is actually gonna be for the ballroom. That is a crazy color match. All right, we're gonna start decorating. So we're gonna start with the living room tree. The first tree, the white Christmas themed, and we're gonna use this like peach ribbon that I just got on Amazon, so beautiful. So we're gonna ribbon him up all nice. Mind you, I have had this same tree since 2017. I love this tree. So anyways, this year it's gonna get a little fancier makeover than before, but P.S. guys, this is just the pro tips. You wanna decorate your tree correctly. You wanna get big, thick, fat ribbon, tons of ornaments, like 1,000,000 more than you think you need. You want to stuff that thing like a turkey. And I'm not personally a fan of tree toppers. The like hotel trees always have like these weird bushel things on top. So that's what I put on mine. So I want to decorate the piano. I'm thinking like, honestly, those things that look like AI when they're all fully decorated. So let's see if I can figure out how to do that IRL. So I got this white garland, but this is really plain and ugly. I do projects like this all the time. Half buy stuff and then I like make it better. I'm literally just gonna glue these onto it. I truly believe there's not a problem in the world a glue gun can't fix. So I literally just hot glue gunned some ribbons, some flowers and everything onto the garland and voila. That's what I call a firecraft. P.S. guys, this is what's going on in here. There's not even a smidgen of explanation for this. But the house is a mess. Ah! This is what Christmas decorating is really like, you guys. I'm gonna give you a new outfit. So I just took that same ribbon that I put on the tree, and I don't really know what I'm doing when I do this. I just kind of fold the ribbon until it looks like a bow and hot glue it in place. Gave him a nice little funky bow tie. Made a wreath, did the same thing. Bought a white wreath, glued some stuff on it. I just added this ribbon to literally everything this year. Hung it all up myself because I'm crazy. Don't try this at home, kids. I was dancing on the ladder, but it did get all nice and hung up, and there was a special surprise cheering me on after. Wait, guys, that's so random. Do you see the fireworks? All right, guys, now it's time for the ballroom. So here's the before. Which the before is pretty spectacular, if I do say so myself. Let's get started. So the ballroom theme has always got the green trees in here, so I'm gonna put some big thick ribbon on that one. Throw, again, literally everything on it. I put so much shit on this tree, it's unbelievable, but it looks good at the end. I swear, trust the crazy process. All right, guys. Well, we have pretty much everything everywhere. There's truly no explanation for what's going on in here right now, but we're gonna move on to my bedroom anyway, so I'm gonna literally just do God only knows what. Honestly, anything is an improvement because last year it had a bra on it. So he's all plain right now, but bippity boppity boo. Oh my God, this is gonna be so cute. All right, guys, welcome to craft time on the patio. So I got all of these ornaments, voila, and I'm gonna spray paint them to make them what I want them to be. Let's go. Normal me things. So once those dried, I just put them on the tree along with ribbon and a bunch of other little gold ornaments until he was all full up. Added my favorite fabulous hotel decor.
Are you lounging?
Snow is falling.
Holy shit, guys, do you see it? Look. A hawk is visiting. Whoa. What does this mean? Hi, buddy, can you look at me, please? Wow, you got him, baby. That's actually happened to me 3 times. And just like that, an entire month of my life was gone. Granted, I did a bunch of stuff in between that. Like I watched every single Christmas movie that exists, pretty much. I watched all of them, you guys. I watched The Night Before Christmas, The Princess Switch 1, 2, and 3. The one about a princess named Amber. Hello?
I need you, Amber.
That one's amazing. I'll leave my recommendations in the video description, but now I'm gonna give you a little tour. But before I do the tour, a little announcement. You guys saw me announce it in the Black Friday video. Every year I do an annual Christmas ornament on 333, so this is the annual Christmas ornament. You can see it's got my favorite quote on there. What if it doesn't come true? And then on the other side, but what if it does? A pretty little golden tassel looks gorgeous up on the tree, or if you're me, on all 7 of them. But the Christmas ornament is live on 333 if you guys want to shop that. Honestly, I plan to have a whole line of Christmas ornaments. Like, I'm not even kidding, next year. I think I'm literally going to do that. Like, not fancy 333 ornaments. I mean like the balls, like the whole collection, the ribbons, everything. So I think I'm going to put that on my vision board this year. I talk about starting businesses all the time because I already run 333 myself on Shopify. I've been doing it 4 years, which again, if you guys don't know by now, I've talked about it millions of times, but Shopify is basically your one-stop shop to making all your business dreams come true. Like, you want to start, manage, grow a business, Shopify is where you do it. I've been running 333 on Shopify since the very beginning, which actually was like the 5-year anniversary is this year. Isn't that crazy? Anyways, you can see the little interface here. It's so easy to use. Like, you can see the ornaments actually just came in, so I'm gonna upload some photos of those, edit the description and put those in. I think I'm actually gonna put them in a new little category. We're gonna call it Fine Gifts and Art because honestly, I wanna be like Fabergé someday. Like, I wanna have like a whole fine objects collection, but I digress. Anyways, whether I want to manage 333 or honestly, like I said, I'm going to start a whole nother business next year. Shopify makes it so easy. It is the key truly to how I make it work and how I do it all on my own. So huge shout out to Shopify for not only sponsoring this video, but for making 333 everything that I ever dreamed of. And if you guys have also ever dreamed of starting your own business, Shopify has a free trial for you guys at shopify.com/Amber Scholl. So go make your dreams happen. Isn't that a great announcement? Yes. And by the way, you guys, just because I'm feeling friendly, the ornament is actually $5 off right now. Treat your friends, treat your family, treat yourself. So Merry Christmas. There you go. And now, the tour. Are you ready to welcome everyone, George? Say welcome to the Sky Castle. Yeah, woo. Here we go, Georgie. Let's go. Do you want to come here? Na-na-na-na. Alrighty. Oh, da-dun-da-da. P.S. guys, this is our outfit of the day, by the way. We got our striped pajamas that I've been wearing for like basically 30 days straight. Don't even ask. It's because I'm in the middle of redoing my closet and all my clothes are in a bucket in the dining room. So anyways, $15 on Amazon, linked below. Okay, this is this room. Oh, this is the little entrance. Got the wreath up there. Look how good the piano came out. Beautiful, wow. And guys, look how fun this is. So this is my little bonus baby tree. This is exactly what the big tree looks like, but little. You guys see the little up close details? I put all of the rings on the tree and then I put the little boxes below. So that's the 333 tree. Wow, oh, gorgeous. And now the premiere of the first tree. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Ta-da! Okay guys, so obviously this is the cutest thing. So we have the wreath up there, the little garland that I made, put that all around, that's all around the mantle. We got some like little sparkly accoutrements, actually instruments. The tree is spectacular. Look at it. Oh, look at the detailing on it, you guys. Every single thing on here is like, oh, hey guys. Every single ornament on here is so beautiful. Like they're just, oh, it's just gorgeous. Mr. Teddy came out amazing, as did my little gift bags. You guys know I'm a big hotel fan. I love fancy hotels. My whole life is inspired by them. And actually, like, basically every room in my house was inspired by one of my different favorite hotels, this main area being the Plaza. So I found it only fitting to put the bags there. Just magical. Oh, like I literally got this because the Plaza has one. So, it's Eloise at the Plaza, but it's me. P.S. Eloise at Christmas time. Adorable movie. All right, so continuing on. Come on, George, you wanna go? Come here, baby. Let's go to the next room. Oops, actually, I almost forgot, you guys. I don't know how I almost forgot this. This is one of my favorite things, honestly, that I do in life. Welcome to my Swarovski Christmas Village. Oh, see that? Swarovski. So this is the Crystal Village. I actually just got this year. So beautiful. I have all the little snowflakes hanging on invisible string. Little train, giant train, Christmas tree. Oh, we have the Nutcracker. We have Santa, his reindeer, and the sleigh. And do you see how cool this is? Poured some crystals there to make it look like the sleigh had cut the ice. We have an angel and her harp. These are like my favorites. But do you see he's sledding? This one is holding a little Christmas train. He's sleeping on a drum. And then these. Wow! I have all of the snowflakes hanging up there. And then this is a reindeer with a Christmas tree. Little bells, a little pony, a very tiny carousel. I literally just think these are the cutest things in the world. I just love them so much. So that's my whole little display. This is just, it is magnificent. Wow. I filmed so crazy, guys. The flash just makes everything look even more sparkly and wow. Oh. Okay, actually, by the way, guys, I have more too. I have these gold ones. I have so many of these. I'm a diehard, a member of the Swarovski Crystal Society. The little setup just gets better every year. All right, now the ballroom. This This really is the best room in the house. Ta-da! My tree is unbelievable. Look at the detailing on this too. Just spectacular. Wow, 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 wow. I actually have the bookmark on this tree pretending to be an ornament because honestly it just matched too well. So beautiful. It actually totally could be an ornament too. But anyways. I really need to get more presents under the tree, but for now, whatever. I love the tree topper. Some feathers in his hat and called him macaroni. I printed out and framed some old sheet music on here. Do you see that? The fireplace decor, nothing too special, but oh, I love this room. My beloved reindeers are out as always. I got the trees all fancified. Look at these little skinny guys. I really decked these out. I love this gold lacy ribbon. It's so cool. Let's see. Star of the show, the city view. And the piano. Look, you guys. Magical. I made this on Photoshop and just printed it out, but well, didn't mean to leave this out. I kept dropping the glass ornaments, so I had to clean them up, but that's not part of the decor. Okay, so that's the ballroom. So this year I actually also did my bedroom, which I've never done before. So, are you ready? Like, this is it. This is why I don't leave the house, you guys. I think I'm gonna Postmate spaghetti and watch the Santa Claus 3. He just so happens to be sitting in the perfect spot to look like he's wearing the hat. Oh no. Darn it, George, it was almost so good. So ta-da! Obviously you guys already saw the sneak peek of this tree in my decorating my bedroom video. So this room is based on the Ritz Paris. So we got our teddy bear out. Look at how beautiful this tree actually came out. It came out gorgeous. I decorated my gorgeous end tables with some flowers on the bottom too. Of course, my fireplaceless fireplace. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, I love that you can see the trees from multiple rooms in here. So that's my bedroom. It's just magical in here. And of course, the best part of any decor. This. Oh wow, guys, the moon, look. Wow. Beautiful. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. From me and George to you. Say Merry Christmas, everybody. XO. Happy holidays. P.S. guys, you want to see something funny? This is the front of my tree, and this is the back. Shh. Secret safe with all few million of you, right?